Hello guys, welcome to In the Kitchen with Martha. Today I'll be preparing a basic potato salad and these are the ingredients. You're gonna need some baby potatoes, spring onion, parsley, seasoning of your choice, and a quarter of an onion. Now let's go wash those potatoes. Wash them thoroughly. And then you put them inside your pot. With some water. You put enough water to cover the potatoes and then you boil them. Now let's go boil these potatoes. Put your potatoes on the stove with a teaspoon of salt and let it boil until tender, covered. You must cover your pot and let it boil until it's tender. The potatoes are done. You drain the water and then we're gonna add them into a new bowl. And you add cold water. So we wait for our potatoes to cool down and then we're gonna get started on the salad. Now we're gonna peel our potatoes and then we cut them in half, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel them and we will get started. We're done peeling our potatoes now. We're gonna cut them in half. And then we're gonna season them. We're getting started, guys. This is the beginning of our salad. And if you prefer, you can leave the potato skin on. There's nothing wrong with it. Some people enjoy them. So if you're one of them, you can leave the skin on as well. Okay, so we're done. Now we're gonna put a teaspoon of our onion. And then some seasoning. I prefer to use Aromat. You can put salt, pepper, whatever you like. And then we're gonna proceed with our parsley. You can even use mixed herbs or fresh parsley or even chives. Works better for this recipe. And now I'm gonna add the mayo. You can add as much as you want, depending on how creamy you want your salad to be. So I like mine extra creamy, so I'm gonna put much of the mayo. And then I'm gonna chop the spring onion, just a sprig of it, and then we're gonna garnish our salad with it. If you don't like the onion, you can leave it out. So you can even use the green part of the onion only. So there's our onion done. You mix it well. And our salad is done. All you have to do now is garnish with the onion. And that's it. That's our potato salad. You can enjoy it with whatever you want.